So why should you get a DNA test, and why this DNA test? So this particular DNA test is a 33-page report. It is going to tell you exactly how much protein you should be eating per meal, how much carbohydrates per meal, how much fat per meal that you should be eating specific for your DNA. It's also going to tell you some very important details like, can your body assimilate certain things? Are you low on certain vitamins? Are you too high on certain vitamins? Does your body store vitamins and not actually assimilate it? For instance, one of our friends that got this DNA test done, what he discovered was that his body it stored vitamin B6, so it didn't assimilate it. So what that means is that increases the homocysteine in the body. Well, what we found out about that is that is the precursor for Alzheimer's. Now, he also found out that his dad died of Alzheimer's and his grandpa died of Alzheimer's. So now he knows that he shouldn't be doing extra vitamin B6 in his diet. So that's a very important thing to know. We can also find out, for instance, how much cardio per workout and how much resistance training per workout. Maybe you're 60% cardio and 40% resistance, or maybe you need to do 80% resistance and only 20% cardio. So it's specific to your body. We can also find out these are just some of the things. Again, this is a full 33-page report. It's really, really cool. So we can find out, does your body assimilate caffeine? Does it assimilate alcohol? Can your body digest monounsaturated fats, or does your body prefer polyunsaturated fats? So we can find all of this great information out for you. I would love for you to get DNA tested because I want to see you get in the best shape of your life. I want you to take control of your health and get in the best shape of your life.